Lemon sorbet.
Alright, one more and then we won't see any more of Kelly's. Oh!
Oh, you are funny little girl.
You're a goofball. Yummy? Give him a bite. Tricked ya. Okay, here.
At least she hasn't gone into attack mode yet.
Oh no.